What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Thursday, March 6th, and today we have Amazon's hot deals for the week. First up, we have their replacement remote control. Now, this works great with a Roku TV, TCL, Hisense, even Walmart's On TV, Philips as well. $9.98, and you do get a 2-pack. And now from Bissell, we have their Little Green, one of my favorites around the household. We have their Pet Pro portable carpet cleaner. Now this does work awesome. Great for the car, great for your house, great for the stairs, the runners, your couch, your sofa. Pretty much anything that has a carpet, this does work great. We have a nice 19% off discount today, bringing the price down to $129.99. No need to spend your hard-working money on iced coffee when you can make it at home. Here we're looking at the cold brew coffee maker, 64 ounces, a half gallon. Now it does come with that 304 stainless steel filter and the cleaning brush. You can pick this up for only $16.99. And next up from BioEmblem, we have their triple magnesium complex, 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, malate, and citrate. Great for your muscles, nerves, and energy. Now, we do get 90 capsules per bottle. Now, what I love about this magnesium, it's lab tested and it's certified. And we also get a nice 10% off discount, which is awesome. We even have an additional 5% off. If you click this right here, you'll get 5 additional percent off, bringing the price down to $23.93. In the market for a greenhouse, definitely check this one out from Miracle-Gro. Super easy to assemble, super lightweight. It's not too big. It does have a good height to it at 6.5 feet. Now this greenhouse is 47% off today, which I love. That's going to bring the price down to $47 even. Go wrong with this price. We have a pushback electric recliner with a nice premium leather upholstery. Very nice recliner. Now it doesn't have many reviews, but what it does have, it has a nice 38% off savings, which I love. Look at that price, $249 even, shipped right to your front door. And if you do have any loved ones that like to game, maybe you like to game, this one from Nintendo Switch, we have the Marios, the Sparks of Hope, the Standard Edition. Check out that price, 25% savings, only $14.97. And just a quick announcement, friends, we are doing a new giveaway. We have this super cool Lego suitcase and backpack, and it's very easy to enter. I am going to leave a link in the description. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have Instagram, follow me there too. Make sure you like, comment, and share my posts. Watch my Costco videos, watch my Sam's Club videos, and do not forget to watch my Amazon videos, because starting today, March 6, 2025, my Amazon videos will have a secret code. Grab that secret code, enter it into the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries. The giveaway does end April 1st, 2025. Good luck, everyone. Back to the video. And next up, now we have from Woods Outdoor, we have their extension cord, 100 feet in length. It is a 16 gauge extension cord, which is awesome, 3-prong, and we do have an excellent discount today, 54% savings, bringing the price down to $19.98. If you've been watching my Costco videos, you would know the Duracell batteries are on sale, but check out this deal. You get a 48-pack, far more than the Duracell. Now, these are an excellent deal. We have a 12% discount, but what also do we see? We have an additional 25% off. All you got to do is click this coupon code. That will get the price down to $12.52. We even have an additional savings here. If you spend $50, you will get an additional $15 Amazon credit. All you have to do is shop these items right here, so you could potentially save even more. And this is definitely something I need from Samsung. We have their T7. Now this is their portable solid state hard drive, 2 terabytes in total. This is a great product to pick up, a limited time deal for only $129.99. That's a 2 terabyte storage. And this is the lowest price we've seen in 30 days from Apple. We have their 2022 MacBook Air laptop with the M2 chip in it. Now this does have 16 gigs of RAM with a 256 solid state hard drive, a backlit keyboard, and it has that 1080p FaceTime HD camera in the front. It's midnight in color, 30% savings from $1,000 down to $699 even. And don't forget about the Energizer CR2032 batteries. What I love about these batteries, they're lithium, and we have a 4-pack here. You don't need to buy 10, you don't need to buy 20. A nice 4-pack, exactly what you need. 62% savings, only $4.99. These are the type of batteries you need in your car remotes, remote controls, little medical devices, kids' toys, stuff like that. But what's also great about this does qualify for that spend 50, get an additional $15 Amazon credit. So keep that in mind. And look at this deal from Vevor. We have their pocket hole jig 34-piece kit here. Now Craig is not the only ones making pocket hole. This one is amazing from Vevor. 23% savings, the lowest price in 30 days. If you like to woodwork or if you are beginners, this is a great product to pick up. You can't go wrong with this. This is awesome. $41 even. And we also have the Apple iPad, the 10th generation, back in stock with the A14 chip. This is a 10.9 liquid retina display, 64 gigs Wi-Fi with a 12 megapixel front and back camera. This does have that all-day battery life in silver. Now check out this price, 26% savings, the lowest price in 30 days at $259.99. Now, if you pick up the iPad and you're looking for a portable keyboard to go, check this one out from Logitech. We have their portable wireless iPad keyboard. This does have a built-in cover. It's very slim, very nice reviews. Check this out, only $49.99. That's a nice 38% savings, perfect to pair up with the iPad. And now from Garmin, we have their Epix Pro Generation 2, their Sapphire Edition watch, big on the wrist at 51mm, but that's okay. It's a high-performance smartwatch. No need to play around with the Apple or Samsung watch. Buy yourself a Garmin. This is advanced training technology, has a built-in flashlight, and the battery life is absolutely amazing. 35% savings today, only $715.17. A great time to pick up a bidet from BioBidet. We have their Slim Edge. Now this attachment is great because it does not need electricity. It hooks up to the water supply and you are good to go. A limited time deal today at 49% savings, bringing the price down to $29.95. And don't forget, friends, Amazon does have a limited time deal on their newest Fire Stick model, their 4K that's AI powered. Now this is a limited time deal, 40% off, bringing the price down to $29.99, and this does have Wi-Fi 6. And now from Anker, we have their charging station 100 watt, their 9-in-1 USB-C power strip. Now what's nice about this power strip, check out that cord, look how flat it is. This is great to set up on your desktop, charging all your devices at once, has 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, pretty incredible device. Check out that price, only $35.99. We are getting a 22% discount today. I do want to show you one more from Anker. We have their Surge Protector power strip. Now this power strip has 12 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. This is great, especially for your household. Has a nice 5-foot length extension cord. Definitely pick this up, a limited time deal for 27% off, bringing the price down to $21.98. And for the ladies, we have the legs, their Sheer Energy medium support compression tights. Now what's nice about these types, they have the control top design, meaning it does still shape your midsection and smoothing it, which is nice, but it doesn't sacrifice flexibility. $5.29 today, a 62% savings for a 3-pack. A good time to upgrade your PC's RAM from Crucial. We have 96 gigs of RAM, DDR5. Now we do get 2 sticks at 48 gigs each. Now this is a great deal at 32% savings today. That's about $100 off, bringing the price down to $203.99. And now from Champion, we have the men's classic everyday comfortable t-shirts. Now we do have big and tall sizes available at 69% off, the lowest price in 30 days, only $6.26. Grab yourself a few t-shirts at that price point. Looking for something a little bit more dressy from Under Armour, we have the men's Tech Golf Polo shirts. This is a great deal, 48% off. Now this is $20.99. This is a great looking t-shirt, nice quality, 100% polyester. And I will give you one more from Anker, a limited time deal. This one is 50% off. Anker's portable charger at 10,000 mAh. It has 30 watts. It's a power bank, very fast, USB-C. This is great if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android. Perfect device to pick up, $12.94. Season is back. We have the Griddle accessory kit here. It's a 13-piece kit. Pretty amazing kit here, but what's even better is the discount today. We have a 50% off coupon. Grab this coupon code and apply it at checkout. That will get the price down to $15. Next up from DJI, we have the Osmo Action 4. This is their essential combo kit. Now this camera is 4K, it's waterproof, a very nice quality camera with fantastic reviews. Today we're getting an amazing 27% discount, bringing the price down to $209.99. Now from Klipsch, we have the Austin portable Bluetooth speaker, super small, super lightweight, 12 hours of battery life, IP67, so it is water and dust resistant, which is nice. Amazing sound quality, great speaker. We even have a 30% discount today with an additional 30% off coupon. Click this coupon code for an additional 30% off. That's going to get the price down to $48.19. We do have little ones at home. This is perfect to pick up from Baby Trend. We have their Stroller Wagon Deluxe storage basket. Now these are great to attach to the front of the stroller. You can use them as a little diaper caddy. You can use it as a cooler. These are super useful. Very nice product here. Definitely pick it up if you have a little one. $15.99. One more for your little one at home from Munchkin. We have the Sun Safety, the car window roller shade. Now this does have white hot, heat alert. We do get a 2 count today. The lowest price in 30 days, pretty amazing at $9.97. Another one for the ladies, we have the Hanes Stretch Jersey Bike Shorts. Now these are pretty nice. They're 7-inch inseam. They look fantastic. A great savings today at 61% off. Great flexibility, great stretch, only $6.99. Now we do have a lot of tech in today's video, so hopefully you are enjoying it. From Apple, we have the iPad mini, the A17. Now this does have the 8.3 liquid retina display, 128 gigs, Wi-Fi 6 with a 12 megapixel front and rear camera, 20% savings, which is $100 off, bringing the price down to $399 even. Another great deal just in time for the spring. From Head, we have the GeoSpeed. Now these are their adult tennis rackets. These are pre-strung. They're very light, 27.5-inch rackets. What a great deal. Lowest price in 30 days at 47% savings today, $32 even. A pretty great deal from Lego. We have the London Skyline collection. Now this deal is pretty nice, 20% savings, a limited time deal, 468 pieces. Now this is perfect for the ages of 12 plus, $31.99. Now if you do own the Apple AirTag, check out this product. We have a 4-pack of AirTag holders. Now these are keychain AirTag cases. All you got to do is insert your AirTag and you are good to go. Now what do we have here? We have a 53% off deal, but we also have an amazing 50% off coupon. So not only do we get 53% off, but we get an additional 50% off. So grab this coupon code, apply at checkout, and that will get the price down to $3.50. I do have one more deal for you, friends. Head over to Amazon's resale page. Now, a lot of people neglect to check this page with over 9,000 results, up to 40% savings on a lot of great items. There's so many great items up to 40% off. Everyone always forgets to check the Amazon resale page, but me, I am going to leave a link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you directly to this page, and you can have a look yourself with up to 9,000 items, almost up to 40% off. Do not forget. Also, friends, the giveaway does end April 1st, so make sure you click the link in the description. I will leave another link in the comments section. You can click either or. That way you can enter the giveaway. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification. If you want to support me or the channel, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, let me know what your favorite item was from today's video. Also friends, do not forget to follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget about the giveaway that does end April 1st. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Costco clearance video that's going to be pretty amazing. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. We'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace.